Honey,
Yes?
I want to leave Zen Holdings.
What?
Man to man. How did it go in Abuja?
Eh? It's just that I have this feeling that...
She once made passes at me and I refused her.
You think I don't know?
What do you know?
Wait. Give me a few seconds. Wait, you wouldn't know.
I'm not the only one you're pursuing.
What?
Even Tunde too. You even went as far as vetoing his appointment just because he rejected your advances. What's up with you, IJ?
Me? Femi? You mean me? Pursue Tunde?
This girl! I fear you. Are you not an usher in your church?
Oh, sir, that is the way the world works now.
Can I ask you a question?
Oh, go ahead, my daughter. I'm all ears.
When your soulmate is married to someone else, what can be done to make him yours forever?